Today's video, I have not just one subscription box from the Fabulous Planner to unbox, but I have two. All right, let's get to it. Hi, welcome back to my channel where I share all things planner related, unboxings, plan with me's, flip throughs, and tips and tricks for you to use in your planner. Today I have two subscription boxes to open up with you from the Fabulous Planner. I have completely fallen behind with opening up some things, so I figured I'm gonna just do it in one video. So let's go ahead, start by opening these up. All right, I am gonna go ahead and open up one box at a time here with you. Now this one is the Fabulous box. It's Groovy Mood, and I knew what this one was going to be. I'm not sure what the next box theme is, which is the one that I'm gonna open up next, but it says here it's Apothecary. She does give us a little sheet here, giving us like an overview of all of the things that are in the box. If this is the first time you're stopping by, I'm Tina. Thanks so much for joining me. And if you're returning, thanks for coming back. Okay, I'm gonna take everything out and go over it with you in detail. Okay, let's do this. Oh, there is so much in here. To start off, there's this little pencil case, which is really cute. It's cloth. And oh, I like that. I like this design. This is kind of one of my favorite designs of pencil cases, where they open up nice and wide. Okay, and let's see what this is. It looks like it is correction tape. Ooh, okay, but it's got this cute little duck on there. I have no idea what this is, so let's open it up together and check it out. I bet you this is the flower highlight set. Does this? Okay, I see it. All right, that's cute. That's really different. So we've got all of these like open up, and you've got all of the highlighters. Oh, that's really cute. All right, we've got this really cute little notepad retro art. Let's see. Oh, that's so pretty. Ooh, look at that. Okay, is this all the same? Yes, this is all this. Oh no, it's actually different. These are really cute. These are great for junk journaling. I really like this color palette too. Super pretty. Oh my goodness, I really like those. Those are really nice. Okay, and then there's a pen here, and oh, this looks like a really fine tip. I don't know if I really want to open it yet, but I do like it. Like it's really pretty. It's got that vintage vibe. And then there's some floral washi tape. Let's see. Okay. Oh, that's pretty. It says today. It just says today across it. So could use it really however you want. It's got like a rose gold foil on it. Here, let's bring it up closer. I really like the pattern. Okay, and then these are flowers here. Looks like floral die cuts. Oh, these are pretty. Again, these are great for junk journaling, and they go really nicely like with the paper. Very pretty. And we've got some more die cut stickers with a super retro vibe. It looks like they're like vintage ladies. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, these are cute. Oh, how cute is that? I love that. It's a whole like 50s vibe, 50s, 60s. Really, really cute. Okay, so here's where we come into the whole groovy mood. We've got some stickers here to go over, and we've got some dashboards. So this is the laminated dashboard, Choose Happiness, and I chose the A5 disc bound. So that was really cute. Oh, that's pretty. I like that. Good vibes only. And oh, these are the inserts. Oh, that's really pretty. And I believe it's like a whole month's worth, right? Let's see here. So we've got 2 weeks, 3 weeks, yes, 4 weeks. And then going into like, I guess this covers the whole month. I think this was for August. So this was August box. I know I'm opening these up super, super late, but they're undated, so they can be used whenever I want to use them. So that is great. And then let's take a look at the stickers. Okay, so we've got retro vibes, and we've got some really cute deco on here. Oh, I like these. Those long strip stickers. These are really cute. And oh, and then we've got some artwork here. It's a couple of girls. I like it. And then some full boxes. Really, really cute. Okay, so this is the whole Groovy Mood, the Fabulous box, the luxury box. Now, she does have a classic size box available as well. So if you wanted to get, I believe, everything here, but you would not get like the dashboard or these inserts for the month, I think that that's what's excluded. But I believe everything else here you would get with the classic box. All right, so I put that to the side. Now let's open up the next one, and this one should be September's. And then once I open this one, it's going to tell me what's going to be in this month. The next box theme, it looks like it's like a fall vibe. Okay, so let's open it up. Ooh, that's a really pretty pen. I'm definitely newer to her subscription boxes, so I am trying to figure it out as well. Oh, there's some really cute stuff in here. Okay, let's go ahead and look through each item separately. All right, so to start off with, so this is like an apothecary theme based on what she had listed in the box before, but look at how pretty that is. I'm kind of starting this in order how everything is listed here. So I've got the one laminated dashboard. I love the colors. It's one-sided. Ooh, that's really pretty. I just love these colors so much. That purple rose, that's so pretty. Okay, let's take a look. So now we've got a different type of layout in here, which is really nice. So you could try different layouts. Goals for the week. We've got like a vertical layout here. And this should be for the whole month. So let's see, that's 2, 3, and then 4. All right, now we're gonna look at the stickers. Okay, so there's 4 sticker sheets. Oh, these are so pretty. I love these colors. So this is just like definitely something that I would love. I like the other ones too, but this is definitely like more my vibe. That's so pretty. I like it. Declutter with the broom. Oh my gosh, that is a project. I've been trying to work on that for a while. Oh, and look at how pretty. I really, really like this. I just love the colors. They're gorgeous, gorgeous. All right, let's see what other items we have in here. There is a washi, which is really pretty, and then there's this pen. Oh, that's really cute. Wonder, yep. So that'll twist. I like it. Okay, let's open up this. This is the purple washi. Okay, so that is pretty. I like that. Okay, and then there is another washi in here, and this one's called Halloween Foil Washi. Oh yeah, that's pretty. So this has got a lot of like little deco in here with like little potion bottles. We've got the crescent moon. Really, really cute. I like the foil in there. Very pretty. Oh, now these are interesting. These are deco stickers that are... they're called transparent bottle stickers. So this looks really cute. These are always interesting to me. Ooh, that's pretty. Look at that. I wonder how these would look on like blackout paper. I'm thinking these would be awesome. And I love blackout paper. So yeah, look at all the interesting like shapes. They're all just bottles. There's quite a few of them in here. There's 20 of them. Okay, and then there's these that are sticky notes tabs. These are cute and little. Cute. Now these are interesting. These are the skinny sticky flags. Let's see. Okay, now these are sticky, skinny flags. And these are really cool to like to highlight anything in your planner. I like it. Cute. The colors go with that. Okay, and the last few things here, I have stickers to share with you. So these look like little like quote stickers. Or actually they're not all quotes. There's just all kinds of cute little stickers, all in those colors that will go beautifully with those inserts. And then the last thing I have here is there's Halloween die cut stickers and apothecary die cut stickers. So let's just open both of them up. And there's a lot. I'm not going to go through like each one, but just kind of get an idea here. Oh, these are pretty cool. Oh, I like that. The mask, flowers. Oh, the spider. So these must be the Halloween ones. I love Halloween. Okay. Oh, I like that purple butterfly. Oh, the lantern. Oh, these are really pretty. They definitely have like a shine to them. I wonder if I could put them like on like a water bottle or something. That would be kind of cool. Ooh, the skull. Yeah, spooky, spooky, spooky. Oh, look at that unicorn, the crow. Wow, these are cute. Oh, I like that skull. Oh, I really like that. The pen. Yeah, these are really cool. The deep purple. Ooh, I like that. Little candle holder. So there's like multiple ones in there. So those are really fun. And let's see what these other ones are. Ooh. Ooh, these are really cool. Oops, yeah. Oh, yeah. So, and these are matte. So these are got like a shine gloss to them. And then these are more of a matte, but I don't know how the material, ooh, that girl is pretty. Okay, so there's some in here, obviously I like a lot more than others. But yeah, really cute. Okay, I wanna open these up and I wanna kind of investigate the material a little bit. Let's take a look at this, because these are stickers. So we should be able to take the backing off. And then that way, oh, here we go. Get a little bit of a better idea. Okay, the material is nice, but it's definitely not like a waterproof type of material. I could see it, or maybe, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. If you were to put them on like a tumbler or something like that, I definitely would not put them, you know, test them out, I guess, if you're gonna get this box. And let's see. Now, okay, here we go. Yeah, this is kind of the same thing. These might work on a tumbler. They seem like they're a little bit more waterproof just because of like the material that they are. All right, lots of really cute things. If you are into junk journaling, if you want to get inserts, like new inserts to have for each month, really, really cute subscription box. And then you get these really cute stickers to either use in the like the inserts or maybe in your own planner, depending. So like I said, she does have two options available. She has a luxury box, which is the one that I just unboxed for you, and then she has a classic box. So the classic box is going to be a little bit less money because you're also getting a couple of less items. So definitely check her out if these are some of the items that you think you might enjoy using, trying something different. If you're interested in doing like junk journaling, that type of thing. I think you get a pen every month. Seems like it's kind of like a standard, I feel like, going through, you know, these boxes back to back. Now, I did not see any sneak peeks for this. I might have seen a little sneak peek, but I really wasn't quite sure. So if you like the idea of the element of surprise, then check it out, definitely. All right, I will have her link down below. I am not an affiliate. I don't have a promotion code or anything like that. I just really was very interested in the subscription box, and I wanted to try it out and see what kind of goodies came in there, and of course share everything with you. And Flavia is awesome. She's got a lot of really cute items in her shop. So if you're not interested in the subscription box, you might find other things there that you might really like. All right, well, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give me a thumbs up, hit the like button, be sure to subscribe if you have not done so already, hit that notification bell, that way you'll be notified when my videos post, and drop a comment down below. Let me know if this is kind of something you might be interested in getting. I would love to hear your feedback on it. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video, and have a wonderful day. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.